Gold, and welcome back to another Animal Jam video. So today I have a skit for you, and actually in this video nobody is scammed in the process of making it, but relax and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a quick skit I put together with two of my buddies, Sutton, who records at Sutton AJ, and my friend Autumn Loves 13, and I'm currently at her den because she is offline right now. They helped with all of this, and in this video nobody was scammed at all. In fact, it was just my items that I was giving them to use, and everybody has their items back, so everything is cool. If you enjoyed this, then make sure you like this video, also subscribe, and I will see you later. Goodbye.